What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog episode of the Phathead Racing MX YouTube channel. I got some fresh material, as you saw arrived in our last episode. This is one of many pieces of material we ordered. These in particular are 3 3/4 inch by 1 inch pieces of raw 6061 T6 aluminum. So we're going to have a new setup made in the machine to hold the parts. So I got to machine these jaws. So we'll have side one sits roughly there. Once we machine this side, flip it over and machine side two, and at that point we'll have a finished part. So stay tuned, we'll show you the whole process. Head. Got to get this custom etched and sent over to South Africa. Come check out the process. I got everything set up. I got the geometry and all the text in here. Fire up the laser. See if we can get a good mark. There we go. Adjust the focus a little bit. Widen the markings. This etch style was inspired by Cameron Niemela's RM250 that he's given away. He's still working on that bike, so stay tuned. This KX250 is going to South Africa. You could probably guess the gentleman's name is Ethan Barnes. Okay, so we're gonna let that burn in for a little while we check out what's going on in the other room. We got some cylinder heads finishing up. On the milling machine, we got some finished production we can take a peek at. So this program just stopped, so it's probably still dripping a little bit. That's our new setup with some finished parts. Finished operation 1's got the bottom of the part done. We turn that over and put it in op 2 as I described earlier. That gets our finished part. And so far we've got I think about 18 finished parts over here. So we're gonna keep on trucking until we get to about 55, and then we're gonna box all these up, send them out for anodizing. Stay tuned, we'll have a nice pretty pile for you coming up. Got a whole bench full of madness over here. Got a CR105 top end. Gonna check the volume on that. Got some top ends for Carson Mumford again. And these fatheads we're putting together to do some photos for the website. So gonna get a volume check on this bad boy. I always use warm water. I use this Maxima grease to seal up the gasket surface. Slow pour. Make sure we don't get any air bubbles in there. Of course, I got the old Phathead Racing decal on the plexiglass just to make it more difficult, because I like to keep it fun and fresh and exciting. All right, there, we're full, even a little over full. That went from 15 down to 6 cc's. That's perfect because I want roughly 9 cc's, and you can't get an exact measure when doing it this way. You just got to do pretty much ballpark. So we're right on, my friends. Don't really get too far without using some Pryme MX tools. So we got this long reach porting tool. We're gonna get down inside of there. Hopefully you can see that that is not shiny. So a little bit of love real quick. A little bit of ear protection. Eye protection is not a bad idea, but I don't have my glasses right here immediately. So we're gonna wing it, folks. You gotta do that double tap. All right. And look, I mean, can you see that? That's shining already. This tool is fantastic. It's absolutely amazing. It does miraculous things for cylinders, which is why I use it. So you should get one. It really is that simple. It really is that easy. I did all the shape work before sending it out for Nicosil. So now that it's back from Nicosil, I basically just prime it up. That's what we got. What you gotta do to stay relevant in 2022? I don't really know, but hopefully this will work. So I've got this 105 kit, custom Wiseco LukesRacing.com piston, laser finish details on the cylinder, port and polished, primed up, Nicosil plate. We've got custom mesh Phathead, KX250 model. Good game on that. Going to South Africa. Thank you to our customers in the States and worldwide. And we've got some finished production of these KTM85 105 cylinder heads. So we've got custom products, we got new products, and that's it. It's Friday. Time to go home. Gotta get paid, box it all up, get out of here. See ya.